Hi guys, it's me Nathan, and I'm gonna tell you guys that I have a secret voice that I need to tell you guys, and it's this. Let me show you in a second.
Hi guys, this is my deep voice.
Never gets old. Yeah, I literally got this when I was born. I didn't even notice for a sec there, but yeah, I think I can tell it now.
So this is why I have this voice. Ha! Wow, I can still talk. It's like every time. So, like I go to school, when I go to school, my friends always tell me I sound like Batman. Yeah, I definitely sound like him. So yeah.
Well, see you later, guys. Well, I think that's over for my.
Deep voice time.
So, peace. And see you next time.